Suzuki C50T was involved in a collision. Person backed up into it at a parking lot. Basically, the problem is the throttle is difficult to move. The throttle cap is broke. That's the principal damage. So which means it is an unsafe vehicle to operate. And since it landed on the side, if the person collisioned from that side, knocked the motorcycle over. And so I'm also concerned about alignment of the forks and the handlebars. So I've also got a dent here in the fork sheet and some scratches on the muffler and the tailpipe. So that's the principal damage. And the mirror possibly bent. I can probably fix that. And there's damage on this light is off-centered because it broke off there. So we have that issue. You can see that's the way it's supposed to look. And because it was knocked over, that's probably where the person made the initial impact. Right up in here, which knocked it over. I don't see any damage on the windshield, which is good. I'm concerned about the brake lever, may have been damaged as well. Brake pad is possibly bent, and maybe the crash bar might be scratched as well. So those are the issues with the motorcycle. Hopefully there's no body frame damage. Got an estimate through Allstate. They estimated it at $1,849, almost $1,850. So just waiting to get the authorization from Allstate to get it towed. Called a couple motorcycle shops, one in Blairsville and one in Waynesville, waiting for them to say, bring it on in. But one in Blairsville is concerned that they may not have all access to the replacement parts. But just waiting for them to get the motorcycles in. Right now it's out of service. Took off the rack in my backpack, the bag and the backpack off the luggage rack. So we just gotta wait and see. You gotta wait. Because right now my motorcycle's out of service. Which craps. I didn't see any damage on the seat, which is good. So apparently when it pushed that way, so 600 pounds of pressure knocking it down. I didn't see any problems with the gas tank. Maybe this, like a scratch there, that might need to be fixed. So just gotta wait and get it fixed. Gonna get a tow truck here because I can't ride it because of the throttle sticking. It's declared to be unsafe for movement. You can see I can't even move it. And this thing is sealed off. That might be what's holding it up. Got to get it fixed. Okay, motorcycle is being towed on the tow truck. On to Waynesville. Ready to go. On to Waynesville. Latched up to make sure it doesn't tip over again. There it goes. There goes your motorcycle. Going to Waynesville, North Carolina. Bye, motorcycle. See you later.